Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Polish civilian ration, EPA survival kit number 3, and I actually got this one from my buddy Jorg out in Germany. Thanks a lot. So yeah, let's get right to it. Let's check it out. All right, let's have a close look at it. And as you can see, it comes in this nice plastic bag, very similar to the Polish military ration. This is an EPA ration survival kit 3. You have English writing on the front, and we have some German on the back. You have English and German. This is a Polish civilian ration. The company that makes it is actually the same company that makes the Polish military rations. So I'm guessing everything would be similar, if not identical, to the military version. But yeah, let's get right to it. Let's get it opened up. All right, let's open it up. And we'll use our knife that we got from Jorg. It's a Unimog. All right, so we won't use the blade. We'll use the seatbelt cutting tool. See how that works out. All right, and we're in. Let's see what we got. All right, the first thing we got is a cup. Let's see what's inside. All right, and we have something called Carbon Next. Not sure what this is, but we'll check it out. And we have 2 Be Fresh moist towelettes or wet naps. Very nice. We get 2 vitamin C candies. And we have 2 other coffee candies. These are really good. Here is our salt and pepper. Of the Polish tactical cup. Let's see what else is in here. All right, we get some Wild West beef jerky. Very nice. And it is made in the Scottish Highlands. Yeah, that's very interesting. All right, we have a lemon flavor instant tea drink. Not bad. And here's the main entree, the roast chicken with vegetables. Or chicken casserole. Very nice. All right, we get one of these hot pack flameless ration heaters. This thing is huge. Check it out. This ration comes with drinking water. It's very interesting. You don't see that very often in a ration. It's a big plus. We have the famous Panzer waffles or special biscuits. And here's our eating utensils with the napkin. And we have a Happy Morning toothbrush. Very interesting. And that's it. All right, as you can already tell, this so far is a very interesting one. You have some very unique items that you don't see very often in a ration, like the emergency water, the toothbrush, and the cup. The cup, I've actually only seen it in the Polish 24-hour rations. But yeah, let's not waste any more time and get started. All right, let's begin by warming up our main entree, and we'll use the hot pack flameless heater. Get it opened up. Very simple. And the pouch fits in here perfectly. Let's get some water. Just a little bit more. All right, looks good. All right, we'll rock it a little bit, get that heating pad activated. All right, let's give it a moment, see if it starts up. All right, there we go. Looks like it's activated. Let's close it up. So we'll let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes and we'll come back to it. All right, let's prepare our one and only drink, which is our lemon instant tea. Let's check it out. Let's use a knife again. There we go. And there you have the instant tea. Just looks like tiny, small pellets. We'll use our cup. All right, let's get some water. A little turn notch. Let's try one first. Let's use both of them. All right, that should be the perfect amount. Let's get our spoon. And you get a small stirring spoon. You also get a fork, a bigger spoon, a cutting knife, and your napkin. And let's give it a small stir. And there we have our instant tea. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, it's really good. It's got a natural lemon iced tea flavor to it. It's actually really good. It's a little bit on the bitter side, but it's not bad. All right, let's try the water by itself, just to see what it tastes like. Pretty sure it just tastes like water. All right, let's try the emergency water. Yeah, that's not bad at all. It's just tastes like drinking water. No funny taste, no weird flavors. Let's check out the Carbonex. See what it's all about. There it is. Just looks like a chewable tablet. All right, let's try it. Yeah, that is pretty good. Tastes just like vitamin C or your typical multivitamin chewable tablet. It is somewhat sweet. Yeah, I quite enjoyed that. Not bad. All right, let's break out the old tray, which was made famous by, we all know, Steve 1989. All right, let's check out the beef jerky. Wild West. Smells smoky. Get rid of that. All right, have some nice big pieces. Try this one. And there you have the beef jerky. It's a little bit on the thin side, but I'm all right with that. Let's give it a try. That is some really good beef jerky, great quality. It's not too chewy, it's not too soft. I would say it's just perfect. It's got a nice peppery, smoky flavor with a little bit of sweetness. Yeah, that is a really good snack. All right, let's break out the special biscuits. These are actually quite enjoyable, even though they're hard as a rock. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Yeah, there's definitely something special about these biscuits. They're actually really good. They have a nice, mild, sweet flavor to them, a little bit weedy, and surprisingly, these are actually soft, not as hard as they usually are. Not sure if I got a special packet or a special batch, but yeah, excellent. We have our salt and pepper, our vitamin C candy, coffee candy. The toothbrush, we'll save it for a different occasion. These are actually impregnated with toothpaste, which is very nice. We won't need it. our Be Fresh Moist Towelette. Let's give one a try. All right, it should be lemon scented. It's falling apart. All right, let's give it a quick sniff. Yeah, it does kind of smell like lemon. Yeah, works okay, I guess. All right, our chicken casserole is done. Get it out of the bag. Ooh, that's nice and hot. Let's get it opened up. Check that out. Oh yeah. That looks really good. And there we have the roast chicken or chicken casserole. I see nice chunks of potatoes, some carrots, peas. Got a nice thick gravy. And of course the chicken. Get some nice big chunks. Let's get a nice bite. Let's dig in. My mouth is watering. There you see a nice big chunk of chicken and potato. All right, down the hatch. Yeah, that is excellent. It's got great flavor, great texture, but it could use a little bit of salt and pepper. Let's add some. Start with the pepper. Let's get all of it on there. Just a little bit of salt. Looks about right. All right, let's try it with the salt and pepper. Let's get a nice big bite. And there we have a nice big chunk of chicken. All right, here we go. Wow. Let's wash it down. This is an excellent meal. Great flavor to it. The best way I can describe it, it tastes just like pot pie filling. But yeah, what an excellent hearty meal. Let's try with the Panzer waffles. We get a small piece. Yeah, this is basically chicken stew. All right. It's excellent. Yeah, that definitely goes with the biscuits. All right, let's try one of the candies. Try the red one. It's a little bit melted. You can see it's really sticky. There you have it. I assume it's some type of cherry or strawberry flavor. All right. Yeah, that has a nice sweet cherry flavor. Let's try the coffee candy or coffee candy. These are actually really good. It's got a nice coffee smell to it. All right. Yeah, that has a very strong coffee flavor and it's really sweet. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was the EPA Ration Survival Kit number 3 from Poland. And I gotta say, this one was really interesting. The toothbrush and the water, that really caught me off guard. You don't really see that in a ration. Just some of those rare components that you don't see very often. But yeah, this one was a solid ration. Everything was really good. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give it an 8.5 out of 10. Could have been better if it had more drinks or some kind of snacks like energy bars or stuff like that. That would have made it even better. But yeah, I just want to give a huge thanks to Jorg for sending it in. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Thanks to all of you for watching, for tuning in, and a huge thanks to all my patrons. Thank you for your support. It's greatly appreciated. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.